When you're searching for the right accessibility features in a vehicle, there are a few things we'd like you to keep in mind.
Come on, our ride's almost here.
Not all conversions are engineered the same. Some are cumbersome and difficult to operate.
I might need you to step out of the vehicle to get her strapped in. Sorry about that, sir.
To strain and struggle to properly secure a wheelchair. Passengers should never have to exit the vehicle and be disturbed while loading.
Do you think that we could call Sunset Vans? I feel more comfortable in their vehicles.
At Sunset Vans, your safety is our top priority. We've designed our ramps with reduced incline to provide the smoothest entry. We've engineered exclusive 4-point self-retracting restraints that will assist passengers up the ramp, keeping them secure and comfortable. With auto-retracting securements working via an electronic button, you'll be on the road as quickly and efficiently as possible. Your peace of mind or safety should never be an afterthought. Our engineering team ensures safety and quality design wherever your journey takes you. We specialize in mobility van manufacturing. We design all our products with both maximum safety and passenger comfort in mind. Why would you settle for less?